Hi everyone. So today we will going to learn about the Canva AI and how the Canva AI helps to generate the code. So basically, why you want to generate the code? For example, if you have a designing graphics, you want to create some presentations, videos, or even website, can feel complicated and time consuming for you. But the problem is that you need design skill, obviously, or creativity, and sometimes even coding knowledge as well, just to get started on this. But what is the solution of it? So we have a Canva AI that could do most of the work for you. So this is Canva AI, a smart design assistant that helps you create professional designs using simple text prompts. So basically what you can do with that, you can generate social media posts, presentations, videos, thumbnails, and even website layout. So just to describe what you want, and Canva AI design it for you, automatically choosing layout, colors, and fonts. So no design experience required for it, no complex tools, just your idea transformed into a ready to use design. So in this video, I will show you real time how Canva AI works, its key feature, and a real time example. So let's get started. So it is it this video is for everyone who has the coding knowledge or who don't have the coding knowledge as well. If you have the coding knowledge, it will going to help you there. If you don't have the coding knowledge, don't worry about it. You just need your accurate thought, or you have clarity on your thought, what you want to design. You want to design any template, you want to design any application or website, you can do it. So I will going to show you. So first what you have to do is you have to open Canva AI, and you will see one link. You have to navigate on that link. Then you will able to see the Canva AI website, where you have the option to try Canva AI. And all this we are doing on a free feature. We are not using any paid feature of Canva. You can use it paid feature as well. It will provide you more features, facility there, but right now we are using the free feature. So what you have to do, you have to give your prompt here. But one thing you have to keep in mind, that you should be very specific what you want. Okay, don't be a kind of confusing zone, because this is not a human, it is an AI, where you can give a prompt, it will generate the output. So I want to generate the output in form of the code. So what I want here right now to showcase to you, that I am giving a prompt that design 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 an application to track my daily routine. Okay, so I am giving a prompt to AI that design an application to track my daily routine. And what I want from here, I can design image, doc, I can use all this. I want code here basically. So I'm going to click on the submit now. So it's start building a code according to my prompt, and it start generating that. So we have to wait till the code is complete. How beautifully it is generating my code. Even people who don't have coding knowledge, they can also use it. Okay, so it our code generation part is complete, and it gives me daily routine tracker. You can give all these menus names according to your need. For example, right now I just want to showcase to you that how it generates the code. So basically, if you enter in the activity side, this is your activity area where you can say, like for example, breakfast. So you can give an activity as breakfast, and you can give the time at what time you are having your breakfast. So for example, 7:40. So you can add in your activity section, so it add here. Then you can add multiple activities, like for your 24 hours routine, so you can add here and track here. Now you can use this design in your website, presentation, doc, whiteboard. For example, if you're using this in your website, so if you have website, you can use this code, or you can design your website from here as well. It allows you with multiple features. You can see in the right hand side there are many features. You can even choose your background, layout, font, design, anything. I'm just giving you a idea of it, like how you can generate your code. Now if you want, you can publish your website here too. So Canva have the facility, it provides its own default domain, or if you want your own custom domain, you can generate that too. This is paid. So if you want to launch your website, you can use your own personal domain, but you have to buy that. Otherwise you can use the Canva, which is already showing there. So in this way you can, utilize this Canva AI to generate your code, or to design your website, or do many things. It is just all about that you can execute your idea real time if you have any idea.